Alright, so there's two ways to create a mycliq page. If you're looking to create your very first page, all you have to do is click on the link builder and it'll start you off with a completely blank page. You can enter your page title, bio, add links, your background, appearance, and your layout settings. I will touch on each of these settings in a separate docs video, so I'm not going to go in depth on all of these. This video is just to show you how you can create a page. Now, there's one more way to create a page or edit a page, and that's through the dashboard. This is actually the preferred method. You can either click create new page here, or you can edit an already existing page that's been saved. And by clicking the edit button, this will ensure that you are working with your saved page, so you can make edits without having to restart from scratch. So that is the page builder.